Use SEiNG's map tool to get a visual overview of devices at your site. Click into Sites and then select Maps. Click onto the blue Add New button on the Maps tab. Name your map and choose the file. Click Save. Now you can plot your devices. Select your device and click onto your map. Your device will now show as a dot, which you can click and drag to reposition, with a shaded area to indicate field of view. Click and drag to edit the field of view. You can view live footage from your devices by clicking onto the eye. You can view footage in standard or high definition, and if you've got permissions, you can use PTZ controls. Open multiple devices at one time to see what's happening across your site. If you need to delete your map, click onto the yellow Edit Map icon and click Delete. If you need some help with your maps, visit seing.cloud/support.